Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best Vantrue SD card is probably one of the most important components for your dashcam, as it directly impacts the quality and reliability of your video recordings. In this video, we'll dive deep into the Vantrue SD card, exploring its features, performance, and why it's a top choice for dashcam users. We'll cover everything you need to know to make an informed decision and ensure you capture every moment on the road. Number 5. SanDisk 512GB Extreme microSDXC. This SanDisk microSD card boasts impressive offload speeds, reaching up to 190 MB/s. It's powered by SanDisk QuickFlow technology, ensuring you save time when transferring files. For the best performance, pair this card with a SanDisk Professional Pro Reader. This setup allows you to achieve the maximum potential speeds for your data transfer. With write speeds up to 130 MB/s, this card is perfect for capturing fast action shots. It allows you to quickly save your photos and videos without any lag. This card is ready for 4K and 5K Ultra HD video recording, thanks to its UHS Speed Class 3, U3, and Video Speed Class 30, V30, ratings. It ensures smooth and high-quality video capture. The A2 rating means it's optimized for faster app loading and in-app performance. It provides a smoother experience when using apps on your device. What we like. This SanDisk card boasts impressive read and write speeds, perfect for those who need to transfer large files quickly. It's also ready for 4K and even 5K UHD video, making it ideal for content creators. If you are a professional photographer or videographer who demands speed and high-resolution capabilities, you should consider this one. What people say. Used this for my GoPro and later switched it into a Steam Deck, works great in both. Speeds are as advertised, and I haven't run into any issues with formatting or transfer. Handles 4K video smoothly and loads apps fast. If you need solid storage without overthinking it, this one does the job. This 128GB microSD card from SanDisk is fast and reliable. It's perfect for video cameras and dash cams that record in UHD. It has performed flawlessly without any issues so far. It comes with an SD card adapter for use in card readers. Works great, even comes with the adapter. Number 4. Samsung EVO Select 256GB microSDXC card. Need more space? This card is perfect for your Android phone, tablet, or even your Nintendo Switch. It provides seamless and reliable storage for all your media. With superfast transfer speeds, big apps load and run smoothly. You can enjoy sharp 4K video playback without any lag. Available in various sizes, you can select the perfect fit for all your memories. Whether it's photos, videos, or games, it has you covered. It's fully protected against water, temperature, X-rays, magnets, drops, and wear. Plus, it's backed by a 10-year limited warranty. This card offers performance and reliability you can count on. All firmware and components are produced in-house, ensuring quality. What we like. The Samsung EVO Select offers fast transfer speeds, ensuring smooth performance for your devices. It's also built to last, with protection against water, temperature, and more. If you're looking for a reliable card to expand your phone or tablet storage, this is a great choice. It's perfect for those who need a dependable card for everyday use. What people say. Works flawlessly. Games load quickly. This SD card is used in my phone for music, app, and photo storage. It has better read and write speeds than the SP card that was in the phone before. It has also lasted longer than the SP card did and is still functioning perfectly. Number 3. Samsung Pro Endurance 256GB microSDXC. This microSDXC card is designed for continuous recording in demanding environments. It's perfect for dash cams, body cams, and security cameras, ensuring you capture every important moment. The Samsung Pro Endurance is built to last, offering up to 140,000 hours of recording. You can rely on it for years of continuous use, providing peace of mind for your data storage needs. With fast read and write speeds, this card supports FHD and 4K resolution recording. It allows for quick file transfers, making it easy to access and review your footage whenever you need it. This card is built to withstand harsh conditions, from extreme temperatures to physical impacts. It's resistant to magnets, X-rays, water, and wear, ensuring your data remains safe and secure. The Pro Endurance is engineered for reliability, providing consistent performance in various situations. It's a dependable solution for capturing critical moments, ensuring you never miss a detail. What we like. This Samsung Pro Endurance card is designed for continuous recording in demanding environments. It offers extreme endurance, allowing for up to 140,000 hours of recording. If you need a card for a dash cam, body cam, or security camera, this is the perfect solution. It's built to withstand the rigors of constant use. What people say. The Samsung Pro Endurance microSDXC card is its unparalleled endurance, specifically designed for devices like dashcams, body cams, and security cameras that constantly read and write data. With a generous 256 GB of storage space, the Pro Endurance microSDXC card provides ample room for storing extensive surveillance footage. The Class 10, U3, and V30 speed ratings of the Pro Endurance microSDXC card ensure swift data transfer and recording. Number 2. SanDisk 256 GB High Endurance microSDXC card. This card is perfect for your dash cam or home monitoring system. It's designed to reliably record footage, so you can capture every important moment. You can record for up to 20,000 hours without worry. This card is built for high endurance, ensuring you don't miss a thing. Actual hours of video saved less. Full HD, 1920 by 1080, video only, total hours less for 4K UHD, 3840 by 2160, video. This card is temperature-proof, waterproof, shock-proof, humidity-proof and magnet-proof. It's built to withstand the elements, ensuring your data is safe. Card only. See product packaging and official SanDisk website for more information and limitations. Save more videos with capacities up to 256 GB. It provides plenty of space for your full HD or 4K videos. 1 GB equals 1 billion bytes. Actual user storage less. Record and save more full HD or 4K videos. It ensures that you capture every detail with clarity. Compatible device required. Full HD, 1920 by 1080, N or 4K UHD, 3840 by 2160, video support may vary based on host device, file attributes, usage conditions and other factors. What we like. The SanDisk High Endurance card is specifically designed for dash cams and home monitoring systems. It's built to withstand harsh conditions and offers long recording hours. If you need a reliable card for continuous recording in your car or home security system, it's the perfect choice. This card is built to last and provide peace of mind. What people say. The storage is unreal. 256 gigs means I can record forever without stressing about it looping over stuff I might need later. It's been smooth sailing with 4K video on my dash cam, no weird skips or anything, which was my big worry. The card is designed specifically for high-demand applications like video recording, which is crucial for an action camera that captures fast-paced, high-resolution footage. Number 1. VANTRUE N4 3-channel dash cam. This dash cam features a 3-channel design, recording the front, inside, and rear of your vehicle simultaneously. It captures everything happening around you, providing comprehensive protection. The high-resolution images ensure you don't miss any details. Switch to front and rear dual recording mode for 4K front and 1080p rear video. The rear camera is adjustable, fitting various vehicles. It ensures crystal clear visibility of license plates and road signs. Configure the settings to record the front and interior of your car in 1440p resolution. The adjustable inside camera offers flexibility, perfect for rideshare drivers. This feature is ideal for capturing activities inside the vehicle. Equipped with a high-performance sensor and IR LED lights, it captures clear footage even in the dark. This is perfect for rideshare drivers, ensuring clear recordings of the driver and passengers. It automatically increases exposure in low-light situations. The dashcam offers multiple parking modes, including low bitrate and motion detection. It requires a hardware kit or external battery for continuous recording. This feature ensures your car is protected even when parked. Built with a supercapacitor, it withstands extreme temperatures. This extends the lifespan compared to lithium-ion batteries. It's ideal for both hot and cold weather conditions. The G sensor automatically detects impacts and locks footage. Loop recording overwrites old files, and an optional GPS mount tracks your route. It supports up to 256 GB of external memory. What we like. The VANTRUE N4 is a triple-channel dashcam, offering front, inside, and rear recording. It provides 4K front recording and infrared night vision for clear footage in any condition. If you're a rideshare driver or someone who wants comprehensive protection, this is the ideal choice. It ensures you capture everything that happens on the road and inside your vehicle. What people say. As soon as I opened the package, I was impressed with the quality of the build. If you're only using the main front camera, it can record 4K. The loop recording can be done in 1, 3, 5-minute increments, which can also be turned off completely. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.